Audio version of the article by Alexander Ovsyannikov, founder of Real Estate Group. Exploring London's luxury real estate. A comprehensive guide for international buyers and investors in under-construction apartments. Chapter 4 of 7. Start listening in Chapter 3. Looking to buy property in London? Write to us on WhatsApp https://whatme 79,773,765,428 and we will select the best options for you. Everyone buys from us. Chapter 4. The buying process. The buying process for an apartment in a London building under construction is a complex journey with multiple stages. In this chapter, Real Estate Group, https://RayGR.biz, will walk you through the entire process from viewing the property to signing the purchase agreement and making payments. Section 1. Viewing properties. 1. Engage your real estate agent. Your real estate agent will organize property viewings based on your criteria. Take the time to explain your preferences, such as location, size, and features, so they can present you with suitable options. 2. Assess property features. During viewings, assess the features and layout of each property. Pay attention to the number of bedrooms, living space, views, and any unique aspects that align with your preferences. 3. Take notes. It's helpful to take notes or photos during viewings to remember the details of each property. This will assist you in making an informed decision later. Section 2. Reserving the property. 1. Property reservation. If you find a property you're interested in, you can reserve it by paying a reservation fee. This fee typically shows your commitment to the purchase and temporarily takes the property off the market. 2. Reservation agreement. Upon paying the reservation fee, you'll sign a reservation agreement. This document outlines the terms of the reservation, including the duration of the reservation period and the amount of the reservation fee. 3. Reservation period. The reservation period allows you time to carry out due diligence and secure your financing. It's essential to be aware of the duration of this period. Section 3. The purchase contract. 1. Review the contract. After the reservation period, you'll be provided with the purchase contract. It's a legally binding document that outlines the terms of the sale, including the purchase price, payment schedule, and any conditions. 2. Legal advice. Before signing the contract, consider seeking legal advice from a solicitor or conveyancer. They can help you understand the contract's terms and ensure your rights are protected. 3. Negotiation. In some cases, there may be room for negotiation on the contract terms. Work with your real estate agent to negotiate the best deal for you. Section 4. Payment milestones. The payment process for under-construction properties in London is typically divided into several installments based on construction milestones. The specifics may vary, but common payment stages include 1. Reservation fee. The initial reservation fee, which you've already paid during the reservation period. 2. Exchange of contracts. The next significant payment is made when the purchase contract is exchanged between the buyer and seller. This is typically a percentage of the total purchase price. 3. Interim payments. Additional payments will be required at specific construction milestones. These payments are typically scheduled according to the developer's progress, such as the completion of the foundation, the superstructure, and the finishing stages. 4. Final payment. The final payment is due upon the completion of the construction and handover of the apartment. This includes any remaining balance, stamp duty, and additional costs. Section 5. Documents for the buyer. When buying an apartment in a London building under construction, certain documents are required from the buyer. These documents typically include 1. Identification. A copy of your passport or other valid identification for verification purposes. 2. Proof of funds. To demonstrate your financial capacity to complete the purchase, you'll need to provide bank statements or a letter from your financial institution. 3. Mortgage pre-approval. If you're financing the purchase with a mortgage, it's advisable to obtain pre-approval from a lender. Section 6. Documents from the seller. The seller developer will provide several documents to the buyer as part of the purchase process. These include 1. Title deed. A copy of the title deed confirms the ownership and legal status of the property. 2. Development plans. Detailed plans of the building under construction, including floor plans, specifications, and expected completion dates. Section 7. Additional costs and taxes. In addition to the purchase price, several additional costs and taxes must be considered. 1. Stamp duty. This tax is levied on properties above a certain price threshold. The rate varies depending on the property's value. 2. Legal fees. You'll need to engage a solicitor or conveyancer to handle the legal aspects of the purchase. Legal fees can vary depending on the complexity of the transaction. 3. Maintenance and service charges. As an apartment owner, you'll be responsible for ongoing maintenance and service charges associated with communal facilities and the upkeep of the building. Make sure you understand these costs before committing to the purchase. Section 8. Exchange and completion. 1. Exchange of contracts. Once you and the seller have agreed on the terms and all conditions have been met, the contract is exchanged. This is when you pay the agreed-upon deposit. 2. Final payment and completion. The final payment is made upon the completion of the construction and handover of the apartment. This includes any remaining balance, stamp duty, and additional costs. Section 9. Managing risks and delays. It's essential to be prepared for potential risks and delays when buying an apartment in a building under construction. 1. Delays in construction. Construction projects can sometimes experience delays due to various factors. It's crucial to discuss potential delays with your real estate agent and ensure that the purchase contract includes provisions for such situations. 2. Market fluctuations. The London property market can experience price fluctuations due to economic conditions. Consider your long-term investment potential and seek advice from a real estate expert. 3. Currency exchange. If you are an international buyer, be aware of currency exchange rate fluctuations, which can impact your budget and the overall cost of the property. Understanding the buying process, from viewing properties to managing risks and delays, is critical for a successful purchase of an apartment in a London building under construction. By following these steps and being well prepared, you can navigate the process with confidence and make informed decisions. Listen to the continuation in Chapter 4 soon.